keep stepping. Step, 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 step. Again. And you just put a little nod on the end of it. That's it.
Nod.
Now go back to the top. Here we go. Top. Left knee. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1. And keep those shoulders going with it. Now to the side.
You look just like her, babe.
Switch it. And again, moving to the left. With the head. 9. That's it. Step, set. Again. 4 more.
Slap.
That's it. Now really relaxed. Again. Just let them swing. That's it. And we're heading back to the top. Here we go. And switch. And switch. So it's left leg and right leg. 2 steps in between. Now triple it up. 1, 2, 3, 5. So you're just doing 3 of them. And then pause on the 4th one. And clap it. Keep going. You'll get it.
Come on.
I can't do this.
I'll watch this for a bit.
That's it. Now going
Back.
into the second step. And down. Try to stay down in this one as much as you can. Instead of coming up, stay down.
Stay down.
Just keep those arms down. Now the next step we're going into is 3 steps. Here we go. In, out. Want to try to do some harder arms now? Since you've got more comfortable with the step. 3 steps. Again.
Do a grapevine for me.
And shuffling to our left. Here we go. That's it. Again. 3 step. And up, down, up. And down, up, down. Now shift other side. Down, up, down, and up. That's it. Here we go, 2 steps.